Alright, so here's a little idea what I'm trying to do here. So I'm trying to sharpen this circular saw blade. It's got carbide teeth on it. I've got a tool for sharpening them. But once you use that blade for a while, it gets dirt and gum and pitch and things on the face of the tooth and right here on top of the tooth. And I need to sharpen the face of the tooth and on top. So, excuse me. What I got is some special effects here showing the magnifying glasses. Way too close. There we go. Magnifying glasses, 3-dimensional. And I put those on, and those will. I got those from Princess Auto. They're like $20, cheap, but they're incredible. It's got a whole bunch of different lenses. I think 10 times magnification, 15, 20, 25, 30, or somewhere in that range. And I look at each one of these teeth. Now, this blade has been in that mixture, which is about 1/3 simple green, 1/3 mean green, 1/3 Craig Cutter. And after 15 minutes, approximately every other tooth is totally clean. But there's still half the teeth that have got some pitch and gum on them. Now, I don't want that pitch and gum to gum up my diamond blade on the sharpener. So the idea here is trying to get that pitch and gum off. So, anyways, that's a good introduction to what we're trying to do here, and that's all for now.
Oh, yeah, get quiet. Hit her. I know. But did you?
Alright, so you can see this, it's a canning pot here. And that's what I'm using to warm up the liquid. And that didn't work real good, just warming up the liquid. Got about half the teeth. So now I got some sand in there. And I'm going to try... Where is that blade? Ugh. I'm going to try spinning this blade. Just like that, using a drill in the sand, and I'll spin it this way to get the top of the teeth cleaned off, and spin it the other way to get the bottom of the teeth cleaned off. So I'm just warming up that liquid in there now, because I think if it's a little warmer, it'll probably help soften up the gum in the pitch and stuff. And then the sand, I'll just spin it very slowly, and the sand will help scrub that stuff off. That's the theory. We'll see how it goes. Alright. So I'm not really... This is the second time I've done this, so I'm not totally sure what I'm going to do yet, but I've got the end of this thread rod sitting on a piece of wood going across there. I don't have the fluid level up higher than the blade, but it kind of makes, I can tip it and put it down in the sand and in the fluid. And I'm running it very slow, the rotation. just being very passive, and I'll have to look at it. And if I didn't quite get it all, then I'll do a little more. So it's an iterative process, and I'll get her eventually. That's raining. Anyways, this is the second go at it. I'll go rinse it off with water and see what it looks like now. If it needs some more, then I'll put some more sand in there and spin her faster. Or one or the other. Alright, so this will be a good summary of that whole process. And I'll say that did an excellent 100% job of cleaning the pitch and whatever else, gum, mess, goo off of the teeth. But what I'm seeing there now, I mean, it's so clean, I can see it now, is that on the face of those teeth, a fair amount of what's there that I cannot get off is solder. From when they soldered that carbide tooth onto the blade, right? And every third tooth or so has got, you know, a bit of solder on the face. And I think I'm just going to leave that to see how long it takes for that to gum up my diamond wheel. Because I can't think of anything right off the bat that's going to clean that solder off there without going tooth by tooth by tooth, and I don't want to do that. So anyway, that's all for now.